We're in Riverside, California, home of Royal Panel Solutions. We're a spin-off business from one of our other profit centers right across the street. We are a full-service panel building firm, UL 508 listed. So basically what that means is we do everything for a panel build from design all the way to testing and shipping it out the door.
I have never worked with so many A players in my career. So they've done a phenomenal job of bringing in people that all have the same mission and the same drive.
I've always loved to be hands-on, and I love what I do, building panels.
Usually our control cabinets that we're designing and building here are being used on a manufacturing plant floor where there's some sort of conveyor or automated system or process. All of these control cabinets help automate and streamline those processes.
So we typically start off our days with an understanding of what we want to accomplish during that day with all of the team members.
We keep everybody informed, involved of what the process is. Every panel is different.
Typically, we're working off of a set of existing drawings, but then just revising it, updating it. But then we also have done designs completely from scratch. We have the knowledge and the expertise to design and build these panels, regardless of industry or customer type. Once the design is approved, we then build it. So we assemble all of the components in the panel.
This is the very first stages of building a panel, which consists of laying down the layout of the components. Once you already have everything laid out, mounted, then it consists of the wiring. Going through the schematics, reading the layouts, checking for any errors. There's a lot of communication going with their engineers and the customers as well. Personally, I've always liked challenges, that I can push myself to do better, to be able to solve any issues that come up.
It becomes exponentially more expensive to fix an issue out in the field. So we do 100% point-to-point check on our panels.
Oftentimes our clients will actually come to our facility to test their own panels that we built for them. They do their own program, run through their own checklist.
We do a mechanical test, so any breaker or switch that we have in there, we're gonna operate the handle, we're gonna move the doors, make sure that everything is mechanically sound. We do what we call our smoke test, so we actually put power on the panel. So this facility that we're operating out of actually has 480 power, which is not typical for many panel shops. So we'll test with 120, 240, and 480. And so with a smoke test, we basically just make sure that everything's connected correctly and nothing's gonna blow up and smoke in the panel.
The vast majority of what we do here is industrial manufacturers in Southern California. There's a huge savings on freight because these are large modular cabinets and enclosures. When they're local, we put them on a dedicated truck from Royal Industrial and we get it to the job site or to the customer's facility.
It's amazing, especially doing something that you love. I believe the work that we do speaks for itself.
We are absolutely running this as a startup. And so with all the team members, we leave it as an open forum. If you have an idea of doing something, do it. Just run with it. We're gonna try it. If it doesn't work, we'll try something else. So we're constantly pivoting, constantly looking for new ideas on how to do this. If we're not continuing to adapt and become more efficient, we're not gonna survive. So that's the mentality that we have here.